Capstone 1. We can all agree on the fact that temperatures have been warmer in recent years. What most people do not agree on is the fact that climate change and global warming is the cause of these spikes in temperature change. Over the past century and more, researchers and scientists have recorded the temperature change and have seen the staggering increase. The National Climate Assessment, NCA, for example, summarizes the impacts of climate change in the United States now and in the future. In 2016, all NCA regions experienced net warming. An area specifically impacted by temperature change is Phoenix, Arizona. The NCA recorded a 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit increase in the western United States. Then, in 2017, temperatures averaged 77.3 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hottest year on record in Arizona. Although average temperatures are expected to rise in Arizona, extreme temperatures are supposed to be an even bigger risk. Fox.com wrote an article with a subtitle reading, How Climate Change Could Bring the Katrina of Extreme Heat to Arizona. Arizona will likely soon see higher temperatures stick around for a few days. This will not only increase the average temperature, but will cause more havoc on the communities. In 2018, there was a record 182 heat-related deaths in Phoenix and neighboring Maricopa County. This was the third consecutive year the death toll reached a new record high. This extreme heat will require citizens to stay inside. Since everyone unfortunately cannot stay inside, emergency rooms may see a spike in the number of visits. With the major temperature increase being a big issue, there are some ideas to solve or mediate this issue. Starting with cooling tactics, Phoenix is looking at using a reflective material on roads and creating something similar to an albedo effect, so the roads do not repel as much heat. Also, planting trees and cacti will transport more moisture throughout the air to cool an area. Trees will also provide shade for pedestrians who have to walk. These cooling tactics have to be measured and targeted in the right areas, as two neighborhoods 2 miles apart could have a 13 degrees Fahrenheit temperature difference. As great as all these cooling tactics could be, the rate at which Phoenix is warming could be too fast for these tactics to be put in place.